Cloudflare makes your website faster and more secure. Here's how it works. Websites are usually hosted in just one location, but with Cloudflare, copies of your content are distributed to a system of servers all over the world. This content delivery network makes your site much faster because your content is closer to visitors, and it protects against attacks or problems because your content is stored in more than one place. Typically, advanced content delivery networks like this were so expensive, only large corporations could afford to use them. But now, you can use Cloudflare on one of your websites for free. We've built it right into your hosting account. Once active, you gain access to several easy-to-read reports letting you know how much your speed and security have increased. If you want to upgrade to the Pro service, you get even faster page loads, extra security protection, real-time analytics, and more. Visit the Upgrades tab in your Bluehost account to give your website an instant boost with Cloudflare.